Hi, hello, I'm Yoshitaka. How are you? Oh, sick? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Please take care. Please take care.
Okay, so let's get the ball rolling. So today I'm talking about Japanese onomatopoeia. Koso koso, koso koso. Do you know koso koso? When you don't want your acting or behavior to be known to others, you probably do it yourself secretly. So that situation is koso koso, koso koso. Especially when you were intending to do something bad, you are probably trying not to be noticed. That situation is koso koso. So sneaking, slinking, skulking situation also koso koso. So example, he slunk off from the class. He sneaked out of the classroom. 彼はこそこそ教室を出て行った。彼はこそこそ教室を出て行った。He sneaked out of the classroom. 彼はこそこそ教室を出て行った。彼はこそこそ教室を出て行った。He sneaked out of the classroom. 彼はこそこそ教室を出て行った。Okay, another example.He was sneaking a smoke in the corner of the room. He was sneaking a smoke in the corner of the room. 彼はこそこそ部屋の隅でタバコを吸っていた。彼はこそこそ部屋の隅でタバコを吸っていた。He was sneaking a smoke in the corner of the room. 彼はこそこそ部屋の隅でタバコを吸っていた。Okay, probably he is a little bit hesitating, but he couldn't resist his temptation to smoke. So, no choice. He smoked, right? Okay, so the situation is koso koso. Smoke secretly. A little bit secretly. Okay? Okay, so did you understand the Japanese onomatopoeia koso koso? Okay? Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye. Thank you.